In this lesson, we'll learn about connecting data to Tableau, and we'll start by the easiest method, that is using Excel data. We click on Excel, and we are directed to this, and we can click on sample data, and we are directly connected to our sample data that we used earlier. And our sample data had 3 sheets. We have people, and we have the returns table. And after connecting these 3 tables, we ensure that we have created connection between them. That is the relationship between them. We have a relationship between orders table and returns table. We also have a relationship between the people's table and the orders table. There we go. We can check this relationship. That's it for connecting Excel worksheet Tableau. Let's go back to data sources. We can click on this or click on this to go back, and we can also connect text files. We click on that, and we have a sample text file here. Let's see what it has, and you'll notice that CSV file and text file can be opened the same way. This is a text file, purely text file with the TEX extension. We can also connect a CSV file using the text file. You can click on this, a CSV file, and there you go. We have a new data set. This is our data set. Notice that our data set has just one table, and this is the table. After evaluating this and making sure that the data is as it is supposed to be, we can add filter. We can filter based on specific field in our data. And after filtering the data, we can connect it to Tableau. Let's also see how to connect JSON file. I have a sample JSON file with user IDs. Let's see, this is the schema, that is the table we have. And on saying OK, the data is connected to Tableau. And there is our data. We have all these fields in our data. And we can move forward and import this data to Tableau and start working on Tableau, if that is the data that we were interested in. Let's go back, and we have PDF files. We can connect PDF files. In some cases, the data is stored in PDF files, and it's easy to just connect directly. And Tableau will extract the data from these PDF files. We also have special files. This is normally files that has geographical data from other programs and websites. Then we have statistical files. These are files from statistical programs such as SPSS, we have R, and many more that saves data in statistical format. Then we can connect to the server and open data from websites. We can open data from websites. We can open from other programs using APIs, or what is normally called web data connectors. In this case, we will not look into details because this is advanced, and we'll check this out later in our live sessions. Also notice that these connectors and third-party connections are more applicable when we have Tableau Desktop, the paid version of Tableau. And in case of Tableau Public, this is somehow not possible. In Tableau Desktop, we have a list of connectors that we can use in this case, and we just select the one we are interested in. For example, we can connect to SQL Server, where we will extract and connect data from. We also can access these from web connectors, that is web data connectors. This is where we can access data from websites. And this is easier, straightforward. However, in some cases, we might need to use third-party web data connectors. That's it for connecting data to Tableau and using different sources. We'll cover this later in details when we have the live sessions.